This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can change the shooting angle or the field of view in this camera. So first, turn on the camera, then select whatever preferred shooting mode you would like to use for your, photos or videos respectively. Then tap at this little icon here, and you can, select between action, viewing angle, D-warp, and ultra wide. The angle that provides least distortion is D-warp, and respectively the ultra wide is going to have the widest field of view. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.